The Patriots are going back to the Super Bowl, so I just wanted to create this very over-the-top glam look for if you're going to a Super Bowl party, you know, if you want to go all out with it and you don't want to do like the crazy face painting stuff. This might be for you. So first of all, we're going to take a brown kind of neutral color that's going to be slightly darker than your skin tone and helps to blend the other shadows into it. Taking this Wet n Wild palette, this is a very inexpensive palette. I would definitely recommend just picking yourself up some kind of cheap palette that has some colorful eyeshadows, unless you're really into wearing colors day to day. Now I'm just taking the darker blue and I put some on the inner corner, some on the outer corner, and just connect them, leaving space in the middle. And the key to this is just a blend. Just blend it a lot. Now I take the lighter blue, put that in the same area, and you're just going to want to build this color up. Don't put too much on at once, just build it slowly, keep blending, and keep blending. That is the key. Now I found these new Essence Metal Shock liquid shadows, which, oh my goodness, they are beautiful. Well, this one is beautiful. I don't know about the others, but I am excited to try them. The only thing I can say about this is that it sets, man. It sets. So get ready to blend this very quickly. I didn't even blend it quickly enough. Here you see me trying. I tried to blend that out, but I did end up adding a little bit more of that lighter blue shade just to mesh that together. And excuse me, I was laughing at The Office. I had it playing in the background. Very good show. I probably watched the whole thing like 3 times now. I clearly do nothing with my life. Just put a little bit of inner corner highlight, whatever you like. It could be something silver, something very bright white, whatever you think will match the look. And we're going to tightline with this because I think if you're doing a dramatic look, you really need to fill in that kind of upper lash space. Now, ideally here, I would like to have a liquid liner, but my Kat Von D one actually died while I was making this video. I was very disappointed. But it did last for 6 months, so I guess I can't complain. Now just put on some mascara because we need a nice base for our eyelashes that we're going to put on. You don't need to put eyelashes on, but I feel like with something this dramatic, it looks good. Now we can take any shade here that's kind of skin tone to help blend it out. I just used a white shadow. I think under the brow bone it gives a bit of a highlight and it helps blend out any of that upper blue eyeshadow that you have going on there. Now you can watch me struggle with putting these lashes on. I feel like a lot of people don't show themselves putting lashes on, so I wanted to keep it in. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that it's not super easy for everybody. I'm still not very good at it. But I take an eyelash curler there and just kind of like mesh them together a bit more. And wiping off the bake, that'll get rid of any blue fallout that you might have had from working with the shadows. And definitely do your makeup, do your base makeup after you do the shadows. I just didn't want to get stuck in that awkward like makeup tutorial thing where you look really bad for the whole video because you're not wearing anything else on your face and you're doing a smoky eye and you just look bad. I didn't want to go there, so I said, hey, I'm going to do my base first. So then you can just pick any kind of neutral blush. I think a peachy one would be better for this look. I think I went more pink, but I think I should have gone a bit more peachy. And any type of eyeliner that you want to do on the lower lash line there. I chose white because sometimes I don't like closing my eye off that much with black, but black's definitely good for this. Maybe you even want to do a blue or a silver if you have those too. Whatever you think would work. And I just put some of that same transition shade that I used earlier. I put that on the lower lash line because I didn't want to have too much going on because this look already has a pretty bold shadow and a red lip. Like, that's a lot. That's a lot to pull off. part of me feels just like I looked like a clown wearing this makeup. I don't know. It's hard to pull off unless you're really confident, but I think it works because people know it's for the Super Bowl, like they know you're going over the top, so I think you can get away with it. Now just put some mascara on the lower lash line. I usually take a little bit of it off because my lashes are pretty spidery and long, and I don't like the way they look when I just go full out with the mascara. Because this was a dramatic look, I felt like it needed a contour, so I did do some nose contouring, which is something I don't typically do. You can skip this if you have a beautiful, glorious nose. Mine's a bit crooked, but you know, I probably didn't make that any better. See, because I don't really know how to contour. And now just take any kind of highlight that you have on hand that you like. I'm using a Fenty one. The lighting's kind of blown out here, so you can't really see it. But this is a very sparkly Fenty one. I think that this would look great with a silver kind of very duochrome highlighter. I think that would be very beautiful and really tie the look together. But I don't have one. And I didn't want to buy it for this look because your girl needs to stop buying so much makeup. So much makeup. Maybelline has a new one out that looks really good though, the Master Chrome. I saw it in the store the other day. They have a silver looking one. I think that probably would have gone great with this look. But I didn't buy it because I was good. Now, you can line your lips with red if you don't have a lip liner. That's okay. Just try to be careful. Red's not very forgiving. Just try to be careful. So I just fill this in, and I would recommend using a liquid lipstick for this because chances are if you're deciding to do this look, you're probably going to a Super Bowl party or you're hosting a Super Bowl party. And that typically means nachos, chicken wings, pizza, beer, you name it, all the food, all the disgusting good food. And if you want to eat that stuff, you don't want to be worrying about your lipstick smudging everywhere, so liquid lipstick will definitely help it stay in place longer, but you will need touch-ups, so I would recommend bringing the red lip with you in your bag. So this is the finished look. It's pretty out there, but I think it turned out okay. I'm just going to use a setting spray. This is a new one that I found from Essence too, which I'm testing out. It seems to be good so far. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you hate the Patriots, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but thank you for watching.